One is in terms of the plant performance, whereby we have achieved about 80 to 90% plant performance uptime during the year. At the same time, the plant also rather and being specific in doing biogas, we also try always to inculcate to have different sort of system, like a hybrid system in a biogas plant. So rather than we are talking only about biogas from Pome, we also try to incorporate other systems into our biogas plant, such as the greenhouse, such as the solar system, so that we can reduce and we can make our biogas plant as a total green energy initiative throughout the plant. Alhamdulillah, I have to say that for all the hard work that we have gone through over the last so many years, I think this one is a recognition given by the government under the ministry, SEDA, MGTC, the NEA committees, and also for all our stakeholders. We have our financiers to thank. We have my family members who have been very supportive. My parents, my wife, my siblings, all have been there to support us from the start when we first started in biogas. And also, very importantly, we also have our staff, our workers at site, our engineers, whereby they have worked hard over the years. For example, 3-4 years ago, we only had about 6 staff in the company. Now we are having about 100 staff in the company. That shows that although we are not expanding too fast, but we are expanding quite solidly and in a more assured way moving forward. I think the ASEAN Award has given us recognition not only in Malaysia but also across the region. So for example, like our company, we are not only solely based in Malaysia, we also have done projects in Indonesia. Over the last 2 years, we have completed and commissioned 2 projects. So by winning the ASEAN Award, it gives us the credibility for the region when we go out. And when you talk about Pome, biogas from Pome, our main market in the region is Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand. So these are the markets that we are looking at. So by getting this ASEAN recognition, so it gives credibility to the group, it gives credibility to the company when we move out from the country. I believe moving forward, not only in Malaysia but globally, everyone is looking towards this angle, whereby moving forward for the sake of our future generation, that we have to go more on renewable, sustainable. So I believe in Malaysia, we are moving ahead quite well in this industry. For example, the incentives given by the government. I mean, we ourselves, the Concord Group, we are recipient of quite a number of incentives from the government. We are very grateful because I'm also currently the chairman of Asia Pacific Biogas Alliance. So when I compare the incentives, the help given, the assistance given by the government, our government, if you compare throughout the region, I must say Malaysia, we have the best in terms of incentives, assistance by the government, and this one has to be continued so that the RE industry can excel and can be here for the long term. Yeah.
Solid soundbites. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay.